Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes.
Students, we were doing chapter 6. Today, we will discuss few statement questions of chapter 6. So let's start from the question 1. Subtract the sum of 13 1 by 2 and 6 2 by 3. Students, sum means we have to add from the sum of 15 1 by 2 and 6 3 by 4. In this question, we have to follow 3 steps. First step is we have to find out the sum of 13 1 by 2 and 6 2 by 3. Second step is again we have to find out the sum of 15 1 by 2 and 6 3 by 4. And at last, third step is we have to subtract. At last, we will subtract. So let's start from the first step. First step is we will find out the sum. Now, first of all, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 13 2s are 26, 26 plus 1, 27 and denominator remains same. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 20 and denominator remains same. Students, in my previous videos, I have explained how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. First of all, we have to multiply denominator with whole part and whatever the answer will come, we have to add with numerator. Clear? Now, when denominators are not same, so first step is we have to make the denominators same by taking LCM. So we will take the LCM of denominators of 2 and 3. So 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. So we can say that LCM is 2 multiply 3 and it will be is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. Now, yes, we always used to divide denominator with LCM and whatever the result came, we used to multiply it with numerator. So when we will divide 6 by 2, answer will be 3 and 3 we will multiply with 27. When we will multiply 27 with 3, answer will be, students, 81. Now, same steps we will follow here. When we will divide 6 with 3, then answer will be 2. 3 2s are 6 and the answer is multiplied with numerator. So, 22s are 40. Now, yes, find out the sum. 81 plus 40 will be, students, 121 and denominator remains same. So I can say that 121 by 6 is the answer of this sum after doing the sum of these two fractions. Now students, we will move to second step. Second step is we will find out the sum of 15 1 by 2 and 6 3 by 4. So first step is we will convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. So for that we have to multiply denominator with whole part and answer is added with numerator. So 15 2s are 30 and 30 plus 1 it will be 31 by 2. As we are doing sum, so we will use plus sign. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 it will be 27. 27 by 4. Now students, denominators are not same. So we will make the denominator same by taking the LCM of denominators 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Once again, 2 ones are 2. So students, we can say that LCM will be 2 multiply 2, and 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. 2 twos are 4. Now students, as we have done in the step 1, we will follow the same. Denominator is always divided with LCM. So when or LCM is divided with denominator. So 4 divided by 2, 2 twos are 4. So answer is 2. And it will be multiplied with numerator. When we will multiply 31 by 2, answer will be students 62. Now let's divide 4 by 4. When a number is divided by same number, then 1 comes. When we will multiply 1 with 27, so 27 ones are 27. Now students, we will find out the sum. 62 plus 27 will be 89 and denominator remains same. As we have done first step, in which we have find out the sum of 13 1 by 2 plus 6 2 by 3. Answer was 121 by 6. In second step, when we have add 15 1 by 2 and 6 3 by 4. So the sum will be 89 by 4. Now question is saying students, subtract. Subtract means we have to minus. Sum of this and this fraction means whatever the result will come after adding these two fractions. From the sum of 15 1 by 2 and 6 3 by 4. Students, here from is written. From means second result will come first and first result will become second. It means in second step, whatever the sum we have find out of these two fractions, that will come first, and the sum we have find out in first step, that will come at the second position. This is the meaning of from. And subtract means minus, and at last we will subtract them. Clear? Now students, while subtracting, we come to know that denominators are not same. So to make the denominators, we will take the LCM. So we will take the LCM of denominators. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Now 2 ones are 2, and at last 3 ones are 3. We will take the LCM now. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. So I can say that students, LCM is 12. As we have done in step 1 and step 2, LCM is always divided by denominator. So when we will divide 12 by 4, answer will be 3. 4 threes are 12. And answer is always multiplied with numerator. So students, when you will multiply 89 by 3, you will get answer 267. Now once again, we will divide LCM with denominator. So 6 twos are 12. Answer is 2. 2 will be multiplied with numerator. 121 multiplied 2 will be 242. Now students, we will subtract numerators. 267 minus 242. Answer will be 25 and denominator remains same. Students, always the answer should be an improper fraction. It should not be an improper fraction. It should be in mixed fraction. So To convert into mixed fraction, we will divide. 12 twos are 24 and remainder is 1. Now students, we will write it as a 2 1 by 12. That will be my exact answer because the answer should be always in mixed fraction. So I will write it as 2 1 by 12 and this is my answer of this question. I hope so. This question is clear to you people. Now, next question is what should be added to 12 3 by 5 to get 20? Once again I am reading the question. What should be added? Added means students plus. To 12 3 by 5 it means to 12 3 by 5 what should be added? Added was written, that's why I have written here plus sign. Now what should be added? हमें क्या add करना चाहिए? So students, for that we can take any alphabet. It's your wish. You want to take A, B, C, D, E, F as your wish. I always used to prefer X. So, what should be added to 12 3 by 5? 12 3 by 5 में क्या add करें? To get. So that result, how we write down the result? By using equal to sign. To get 20. So this is my equation of this question. Clear students? Now, if no sign is there in front of any fraction or any number, so we used to put plus sign. If no sign is there in front of any fraction, so we used to put plus sign. Now students, we have to find out the value of x, and if we are finding out the value of any alphabet, so it should be alone. So we will shift this fraction to another side because we want x should be alone. So we will shift this fraction to another side, and if it is in plus sign, so it will be converted into minus sign. Now students, when nothing is there in denominator, so we used to put 1. Now we will solve this subtraction. First of all, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 12 5s are 60 and we will add it to numerator. 60 plus 3 will be 63 and denominator remains same. Now students, we come to know that denominators are not same. If denominators are not same, so we will take the LCM, and if we will take the LCM, then LCM will be 5. Right? Now, second step is we always divide the LCM with denominator. So students, when we will divide 5 with 1, then answer will be 5 only. And the next step is we used to multiply the answer with numerator. So 25s are 100. Same steps we will follow here. We will divide the LCM with denominator. When we will divide 5 with 5, then answer will be 1. And 1 will be multiplied with numerator. So 63 ones are 63. Now students, we will subtract 100 minus 63, answer will be 37 and denominator remains same. I told in the last question that answer should be always in mixed fraction. So we will divide it. 37 will be divided by 5. 5 sevens are 35 and remainder is 2. Students, always prefer that formula which I have given to you, that first of all quotient comes as a whole part, then Remainder act as a numerator. Remainder act as a numerator of proper fraction, and divisor is the denominator of that proper fraction. So quotient is 7, remainder is 2, and divisor is 5. So my answer is 7 2 by 5. At last we should say that 7 2 by 5 should be added to 12 3 by 5 to get 20. This is the value of x which we have calculated. I hope so, students. Both the statement questions are clear to you people.